Okay. Alright. Ah, it's green. Sunset ride. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Probably hit him. Oh my gosh, man. Oh my god. Bro, these past 2 days have just been not it. I don't know what is up. Usually I am not getting that close of calls. Or maybe I am. Maybe I'm just tweaking. But that one wasn't very close. I mean, I knew I had an escape route and I handled it well, so I'm not really disappointed in that. But like yesterday I hit a cone, like trying to like swerving and shit, and bro, it was like not good. Like I went all the way. I went all the way, bro. I hit a cone and I dropped my bike yesterday. I was so mad. This shit not gonna pick me up, bro. Fuck. Fuck. Okay, it's green for them. I might just run this. Come on. about my story saying I was gonna do revs and burnouts and shit, and they actually are doing it, so yeah, a little.
Park it real quick.
All right, bet. I hate parking.
If she wanted to, she could be classified as a video.
I hate parking. I love What the fuck? I'm on a weird ass fucking angle. It's the wall. That's a cool angle though. I am parked all the way back there, if I can even get that. I don't know if that's my bike. I don't know. Still a cool angle though. Little Polaruski. A little angle. Oh my god. Oh my god. Chick-fil-A over there. The ones they're partnered with for the meat. The tree kind of blocks the angle. I mean, I knew what I was getting into coming up here, but it's still pretty cool. Now I gotta go back. Climb this. Oh, there's another one. If he's coming over here, I want to get that real quick. I think he is. Yeah, those are the weird odd-shaped lights. Yeah, it's him. There we go. Talk about the difference in the lights. Another one. There's been like 3, bro. Or like 2 before. Oh, actually 3, yeah. Put in the ambulance too, but. Fire. There's another one. Another one's down there actually. I don't know what happened. Something dumb, or maybe because the fire station's right there. But it's a car. In a car. So no. I don't know. I don't know why I'm recording these recording these cars go by. But yeah. Fuck. There we go. It's a little bit of a better angle. We walk back down. Phew. Thankfully, I didn't get electrocuted by that. But yeah, it's a little chill meet. A little chill. Shout out Nova Car Meets. Okay, later.